Good morning. We are looking westward this morning on our Storm Team Skycam network, and you can just see the hint of it right now, the nearly full moon getting ready to set on that western horizon. Our view of that also means that we've got some clear skies in the wake of that storm system that moved through. It's cold air taking over after we got that fresh round of snow, and it's the first snow Fargo has checked for the month, has recorded for the month so far. So we wanted to take a look at where we stand right now. Here's a look at Fargo's snowfall. On the left there, that's how much snow officially we got during the calendar day yesterday at the airport, and we're looking at 0.2 inches. Not a lot. I know there are other places around the metro that got maybe more of a half an inch of snow, and other spots that were closer to an inch in the valley, but that's the number that came from the airport. And so for this month, same number. We're running a little bit below average on the right there. We're at 1.5 inches for your average around this time in the month. And that big pile on the right, that's for the season overall. And now we're looking at 42.8 inches so far for the season in Fargo. Average is 32.5, so a little over a foot above average right now. So that's where we stand on snowfall at the moment. And of course, in the wake of this system, we've got that wind chill advisory in effect because of that much colder air that's taking over. Grand Forks and Devil's Lake and surrounding areas included in this until 10 o'clock. And check out these wind chills. We're down to 35 below in Grand Forks. So it is frigid out there. 30 below in Devil's Lake. Want to make sure that you're bundling up for that drive to work and sending the kids out the door this morning. Even in the south, not under an advisory, but our wind chill in Fargo down to 26 below. That's where temperatures aren't so bad. We're at 3 below in Fargo, but it is a lot colder up north where we're into the teens below right now. 10 below currently in Grand Forks. So we've had that stronger wind out of the north. It's caused some drifting on those roads last night as the snow was falling, and still this morning there may be some of that. We may be seeing some areas where the roads are a little bit slick this morning as a result. So take it easy, be careful out there. And we're still seeing some gusts getting into the 20s to near 30. So still a little breezy here this morning, and there may still be a little bit of light drifting across roadways. Skies are clearing though. We're looking at an end to the snow and some quiet conditions as we work our way through the morning hours. So temperatures again pretty frigid, down to the teens below in the Northern Valley, Southern Valley. We are going to see our temperatures drop some more, but some places may just barely hang on to above zero numbers in the south and east. By noon, we're all starting to recover a little bit. We're seeing our temperatures go up. Not a lot, but it will be better than this morning. We'll be closer to zero. Some of us in the south just above zero, and those of us up in the north just below zero. And the other thing to point out is we still have a wind chill, but it's not as intense as this morning because of the temperature rise, but also the wind will be easing up too this afternoon. So a little bit better walk home from school, a little bit better drive home from work and getting in your car. Heading into tonight, this evening, things are going to cool down initially. Once the sun goes down, we'll see some double digits below, so a frigid evening. But then here comes some warmer air, some cloud cover. You can see the wind coming in out of the south. That's always a good sign during the overnight hours. And maybe even a couple of flakes with this as these clouds roll in. And so by Saturday morning, we see some mostly cloudy skies, perhaps a couple of flurries to start the day, and not as frigid as today. And as we work our way through our Saturday, we'll just continue to add to those milder temperatures. By noon, we're back above zero everywhere. Some of us in the single digits in the east, some of us already approaching 20 to the west, where we're getting more time to warm up there. And into the afternoon, teens to low 20s for your highs for Saturday. So not looking too bad. Partly to mostly cloudy skies coming up for the day, and conditions that are going to be pretty quiet into Saturday night. Here's a look at your photo today. A beautiful sunrise. We've had a couple of those lately. That's in Dearborn Township, and Lori sent this one to us. Pretty shot there. And your 7-day planner. Expect to see those temperatures again on the rise heading into the weekend. Still a little bit below average, but better than today. 18 degrees on Saturday, Sunday 17. There may be that chance for some light snow in the far south Sunday morning. And next week it gets more active, more opportunities at some snow and potentially a bigger storm coming up for Wednesday.
I understand there's a lot of winter left, but I feel like we haven't seen incredibly, terribly cold temperatures in quite some time now here.
No, remember last year, it was just a little while ago where we saw those 30 below temperatures. Last year we had a big cold snap. Haven't seen anything like that this year.
I'm going to knock
Fingers
on some wood.
I
don't know what you guys are. No, jinx us. Thank you. Coming up, a scam is hitting country music lovers who are looking to buy tickets to see singer Jason Aldean. I'll tell you what to look out for next.